Hey guys, it's Rochelle Britton Young, Senior Director with Origami Owl. I am coming to you to show you what I just completed, which is amazing. Generally, I bind my catalogs with a comb bind, I believe it's called, and this is a different type of bind. So as you can see here on the side, the binding is a little bit different, and I'm hoping that it's not going to break like the comb binding, which I should have one of those handy, and I don't. I'm really sorry. But anyway, so what I've done with this is I've just gone ahead and purchased a binding machine. I got an electronic one, which I wouldn't recommend doing. The less expensive is the non-electronic one, and it was around, I want to say $80 or $90 on Amazon. So pretty inexpensive when you look at it in the grand scheme of things, especially if you have a team and you get your team together and the team gets together and does binding parties, which we do here in Arizona at my house every 6 months, which are super fun. People bring something to eat and something to drink, and we hang out for about 4 or 5 hours and talk O2 and just, you know, have a good time. But what I've done with these on the back is I just put my name on them. So I have 2 different copies. And then what I do with these, every time I need to place an order, is I'll go into the actual catalog and I'll just put a mark on here with a dry erase marker of what I need to order. So being that I'm an inventory designer, this makes my job a lot easier because I can just flip from page to page to page to page and I can see exactly what I need. And as you can see on here, I've also taken and written down just the code for the face or just the code for the base, because those items are not actually listed individually any longer in the catalog. So that's also going to help me quite a bit. The next thing that I do is I purchase these post-it notes, and you can get them in a variety of colors. And what I'll do with it is I'll write down the different categories so that I can just kind of thumb through. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my other catalog if I can find it really quick so I can show you guys. Darn it, I wish I would have grabbed that first. Okay, here's one. So, like so. And I just write down what they are, so it's simpler, and I can go, okay, I need to look up bracelets, and I can just grab, and I'm right here on the proper page. And these remove pretty easy, so if you need to restick, you can. So, and this is the other type of binding. I believe this is called comb, but look at this. It's coming apart. So that's why I've switched over to this other type of binding. So anyhow, back over to the desk. This is what I will be doing, and I'm going to go ahead and get this finished tonight. So just a much easier way of keeping your catalog, and the information that you need is right there at hand, and it looks professional and easy to travel with. So have a really good night, guys. I wanted to share that with you. Hopefully it's helpful.